how to download and use Best Auto Clicker on your Android device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can download the Best Auto Clicker on your Android and also how you can use it. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First step, locate your Google Play Store, then open it up. After you're there, simply search for Auto Clicker. And after you find Auto Clicker, you'll find the top one at the top. And you'll find other options as well. So let's download this one. Tap on Install. And then it should start installing. So there you can see it has been installed. Now tap on Open. And open up the Auto Clicker. Now give it the permission that they require. Tap on OK. From here, tap on Auto Clicker. Then simply enable this. Tap on Allow. Then finally head back to your Auto Clicker and you can set your Auto Clicker. Now if you want to tap on a single place, you'll need to use a single target mode. And if you want the multiple target mode, you'll find it right here. Let's tap on a single mode first. Tap on Enable. Then select where you want to press it. I'll just keep it where it does not affect anything. Then tap on the plus icon. Then the Auto Clicker will begin. If you want to stop it, press on that square and the Auto Clicker will stop. And that's basically how you do it, guys. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.